I hear chickens. We have to care for the chickens, okay? We have to take care of the chickens. So, first thing we need to do is feed the chicken. Everybody, feed the chickens.
Feed the chickens.
Number 2, give them water. Give them water. Give them water. Number 3, at some point we have to get the eggs. Get the eggs. Get the eggs. And finally, finally, clean the coop. Clean the coop. Clean the coop. But let's split the jobs, okay? Let's mix. Say please.
Please.
Ooh. She feeds the chickens.
Please.
Oh! She cleans the coop. He gives them water. And Leonie?
I get the eggs.
Yeah, she gets the eggs. Okay, so now, who feeds the chicken? Who feeds the chicken?
I do.
Yeah. So we're gonna say, all of us, we're gonna say, she does.
She does.
So, who feeds the chickens?
She does.
Let's repeat let's repeat the song too. Who feeds the chickens? She does. Who cleans the coop?
She does.
Who gives them water?
She does.
He does. Who gets the eggs?
She does.
Aha, okay. Now, let's mix the cards. Oh, sorry, I'll take the cards. And let's have a group. You two are a group, okay? And you two will get the eggs, okay? And you two are a group, and you feed the chicken, okay? So it's a group, so we're gonna say, they do.
They do.
Who feeds the chickens?
They do.
One more time. Who feeds the chickens? They do. Who gets the eggs? Who gets the eggs? They do. Who gets the eggs? They do. Okay, thank you. Now, you can continue this game by having everyone even saying I do, but really take this as an opportunity to work on he does, she does, they do, I do. Have fun. Bye.
Bye.